Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
Urbe India expands its established VO3 family with a new generation of electrosurgical generators, VOCEAL, the first VO generator fully dedicated to bipolar applications.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Pranshu Abhishek. I'm representing Urbe India as head of marketing for Urbe, and I'm together with my team here. You see, we have a big team. So I'm going to talk about a revolutionary product which was launched today in ISGCon Chennai, and this product is called VioSeal, and this is going to positively impact the patient outcomes in terms of making the technology available in more and more hands. So this is a standalone generator which is having a capability of advancing the laparoscopic procedure by use of our Trisect technology, which is based on unique tripolar technology which was launched last year. So this generator can accommodate all advanced features of Trisect technology together with the bipolar technology as well. So in terms of patient care, I think the affordability goes better because the user, the surgeons, the hospitals, they did not need to probably invest much into the advanced technology, which is of course there. They can go for it, but in terms of affordability, it would be more cost effective, and ultimately it's going to represent better patient outcomes in terms of lesser procedural times, lesser blood loss, more patient benefits in terms of lesser pain, and in terms of usability, the surgeons will have lesser fatigue, so he can focus more on procedure rather than the instrument. This is very easy to use instrument. The Trisect which is there, which is also would be compatible with this new VioSeal generator, and with this there would be a lot of ORs, the operating room across the country, which would be benefited because of this particular technology was not available earlier. Now this technology is available. They would be benefited with having this technology, with the possibility of upgrading their operating rooms with the advanced bipolar and advanced energy devices. So with this, I would like to conclude the talk. I would also like to thank the ISGCon team here, the organizing team, especially Dr. P. Santhinathan, Dr. C. Palanivelu sir, and entire organizing team who have helped us to create this awareness across the fraternity. And I would also like to thank my entire Urbe India team. So we have representation from the entire Urbe India team. So they were instrumental in bringing this up to making this happen. And at last, I would like to thank all of you, the media personnel through whom we are reaching out to the masses. And I think it's very important that the entire patient and the country knows about it so that they can benefit most of it. So thank you so much, and bye-bye.